Well, I know a lot of folks are wondering, given what happened a week ago, and you hear Arctic blast, you hear flurries, tell us what's different about this particular system.
So this system is a lot drier for us.
Okay.
Now, if you're in Austin, San Antonio, or Houston, could see, some winter mix and even snow
Places
come Monday night.
You don't normally expect to see that.
Right, you would think more up here, right? But this time around, though, that winter storm likely more impactful for central and southeast Texas.
Gotcha.
We will be a little bit too dry for that.
Okay.
Yeah, but with that being said, this is still a very cold system. This is going to arrive tonight, and it slowly over the weekend just brings in colder and colder air, which is why WFA Weather Alert Day for Sunday and Monday, specifically between 3 a.m. to 10 a.m., that's when it's going to be the most cold over the course of the weekend. Now, on Monday morning, also very cold, similar impacts. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s, wind chills in the single digits and the teens. And I'll show you the numbers. What you need to know before Saturday night, you need to make sure to prepare your people, pets, plants, and pipes. And you want to make sure those layers are nearby. Sunday and Monday, you probably tuck them away because the last couple of days have been pretty mild in the afternoon. That's not going to be the case in the next few days. Speaking of mild, we were only at 42 degrees this morning. Yeah, that's cool, but not as cold as what it's normally this time of the year, which is 36, 63 degrees, the high temperature for this afternoon. Now, right now, there's where the front is. It's still to our northwest. Look at the temperatures behind it, dropping into the 30s. Very windy weather along that front. We showed you the images out of West Texas from earlier today. And there's where that front is. Look at how dry it is. Once it makes it into DFW sometime around midnight, it stays completely dry. This is not going to be a system that brings us rain initially. We'll eventually see those temperatures drop, though, about 38 degrees around 8 in the morning, 48 degrees around 4. The winds will still be pretty strong, gusting to 25 miles per hour. This is going to drop our wind chill into the 30s a majority of the day. Prepare for Saturday to be noticeably colder. We make it to 32 degrees Saturday night at midnight, and by Sunday morning, it'll look like this. Widespread low 20s with wind chills in the teens. A few locations to the northwest could very well see single-digit wind chills come Sunday and Monday morning, Tuesday, and even Wednesday morning. Look at these low temperatures. Those are actual temperatures in the low 20s. This is not the coldest temperature that we've ever seen, and this is nowhere near the record cold, but we do have several days in a row with freezing temperatures, so you need to prepare for that. Now, on Monday, a few locations may not make it out of freezing in the afternoon. The rest of the days, though, temperatures in the afternoon will climb to above freezing. And here's that winter weather potential. I know I've gotten so many questions about this. We're just simply going to be a bit too dry. We may see some snow flurries for the northern third of North Texas. If you're along Interstate 20, we could see a few more flurries, but it's going to be too dry. By the time these actually make it to the surface, they're not going to be able to stick. And a lot of them will evaporate before they even make it to the ground. Higher accumulations are expected towards the south of Waco. Let me show you what that looks like. This is mostly cloud cover Monday going into Monday night. But look at this. You see that big swath of blue? That's likely snow for areas of southeast Texas. Tonight, we're expecting to be at about 38 degrees. Tomorrow, about 48. And I am, again, letting you know that we do have WFA Weather Alert days Sunday, Monday morning. And we're not going to see too much in the way of any precip. I meant to say bless you, by the way.
Oh, thank you.